You want a Bugatti?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at it, Need for Speed. 3-year-old Casey wants a... What kind of car is it?
It's a Bugatti. Give me a Bugatti.
What color?
Blue.
A blue Bugatti?
Yeah.
You want orange and black?
And now what's the other car you like on the game?
A Lamborghini?
I want a Viper.
A Viper?
Yeah. Look at the Lamborghini.
And what's the other car?
I want.
Lamborghini?
Yeah. I want a Lamborghini.
You want a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
Now which car's the fastest out of all those?
I
Bugatti.
want that one.
What's that?
What's the fastest?
That one is the fastest.
Are you going to drive it really fast?
Yeah. I
But your favorite's a Bugatti?
Yep.
Okay.
The Bugatti.
Okay, the
And
Bugatti.
the Bugatti.
Here's the Bugatti. It's orange and black.
Okay.